Do you know that Facebook has over 2.8 million active users? Yes, you've heard me right. So with this massive audience on Facebook, you getting your page monetized is a big goal. Okay. Hi there. Welcome back to Affected Digital Channel, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through various monetization stages and how you can monetize your Facebook page or your profile, and the things you need to do and how you can do it the right way. So you just need to stick around to the end of this video, which I'm going to review these tips and tricks for you to use in order for you to get your page monetized. Okay. So if you are seeing this page for the very first time, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Afitech Digital. So do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch and get notified. To my old and returning subscribers, now stopping by to watch this amazing video, I love you all. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. You are all welcome. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to make money on Facebook, either as a student, a sit-at-home parent, or a content creator, or even an entrepreneur looking for a way to earn some extra cash for yourself, this video is for you. Okay, you don't need to skip any part of this video. Just stick around to the end of this video and follow all the tips I'm going to give you, and trust me, you'll come back to thank me later in the comment section. Okay. All right, let's be real for a moment. I know that when it comes to monetizing your page, engagement can be like low engagement can be very frustrating. Like posting on your Facebook and you don't have any engagement, not comment on your post, they don't like, they don't share. This engagement can be very frustrating, and so many people are struggling to get out of it. And in some cases, you might have a larger numbers of followers, and these people that are not engaging with your post. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can figure that out and how you can fix that. And trust me, by the end of this video, you know what to do best, and that's it for that. Number one thing I want to mention to you is just to know your target audience. Since Facebook has brought monetization to Nigeria, a lot of us have been posting all sort of things. We just do what pleases us. We just do what we feel like doing. We just do what we love to do the best. We don't care who our target audience is. Do they love what they will see on your page? Does it add value to them? For you to know your target audience, know who they are, know what they love, and know what interests them the most. For you to really track your audience performance, how they are interacting with your posts, their age, their gender, their interest, their demographics, you need to go to your Facebook app. I've made a video on when to know the right time to post. Okay, when you check out that video, I might link it up here, or you check it in the description box, or you can check it among my videos in case I forgot to do that. Okay, so when you check that video, you will learn how to, like, you know when to post on Facebook when your audience are more active. Okay, by so doing, you'll be able to track when your followers are online, what interests them and what they like, and all of those stuff like that. So I made a video on that, so you just go ahead and check out the video and track when your audience are online, the days in the week that they are more active, post on those days, and trust me, you are going to get the most engagement. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about is, after knowing your target audience, do what you love the most. Okay, do what interests you, like do what you have passion for. Your page is all about vlogs, just focus on posting that vlogs, and do not mix it up with reaction videos, educational content, all of those stuff like that. You just end up confusing your audience. And the most important thing is that you just need to focus on like what you have passion for. Okay, what you know you can do the best, the most, what you know that even at 12 a.m., 2 a.m. in the midnight or in the morning, someone wakes you up and say, oh, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do it. You can be able to guide the person in a way that the person gets a solution to his or her problem. Okay, you just need to have passion. You can know that Nigeria is now eligible for monetization, fine. But a lot of people are just creating content so that they will get paid, they will be making money without having that passion. They don't even have passion for what they are doing, they are just doing for doing sake. Because Choma is making money on Facebook, Nkechi is making millions of naira on Facebook, and you want to be like them without having passion. Another way in which you can make money on Facebook page or your Facebook profile is through affiliate marketing. Yes, we all know what affiliate marketing is all about. I know that to some persons, if they heard the word affiliate marketing, they'll be like, oh, you have come again, this scam stuff, this Ponzi scheme. Trust me, it's not all of those stuff you are thinking, right? So affiliate marketing is just simply recommending product to people who are interested, and when they purchase the product, you get a commission. It could be 50% commission, it could be any amount of commission depending on the owner of the product and the seller, what the bargain on, right? So you can collab with Amazon associates and be promoting their product on your page, okay? And use your link, and that link maybe you can include your WhatsApp link, that when your audience or when people see the post on Facebook and they click on it, let the link redirect them to your website. And this website could either be your WhatsApp, your landing page, all of those stuff like that. And when they click, it will redirect them to there. From there, they can get more insight about it. Okay, that's another way for you to make money on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile by promoting affiliate marketing product, right? That thing I want to talk about is creating engaging content that is valuable. We all know that content is king. Like, so you just need to create a content that is valuable to people, a content that come to your page. I've been able to find solution to what I'm looking for. Okay, sometimes you can mix this content with videos, images, polls. We all know what they put. Try to ask questions for your audience to answer in order to to keep them interacting. Okay, it could be write-ups. So don't post most of write-up. Okay, so do most of video, but in the situation whereby you don't have a time to film a video, or you are just running out of videos or ideas, you can just mix it up with pictures, mix it all with write up, so that it will just keep your audience engaging in your post. Okay, so make sure you create a valuable content. That's another thing that you need to consider, because valuable content, see, when you are creating something that adds values to people, when you are creating content that add values to people, trust me, follower is not going to be an issue. Okay, engagement is not going to be an issue, because those people would love what they see, and even without you telling them to follow your page, they would love to follow your page, because they will want to be seeing more of those amazing videos, right? Another way for making money on Facebook is utilizing Facebook advert. Yes, for you to make money on Facebook using Facebook advert is just by running adverts. You don't need to give Facebook some token of money, some chicken money, and for them to push your product, whatever thing you are selling, be it a physical product or an online product. Okay, you just need to place an advert, and what Facebook is going to do is that they are going to push this advert to a larger audience of people. And if you are targeting the right audience with 5,000 naira in per day, trust me, if what you are selling worth 60,000, and let's say at the end of the day, if you are doing your targeting very well and if you target the right audience for your product, at the end of the day, and 100 person gets to click on that advert, and even if 100 person clicks on that advert, it's not everyone that is going to buy, but at least 50% of them is going to buy what you are selling, if what you are selling like it's valuable and it's okay for them. Okay, they are going to buy it. And imagine when you are running adverts with 5,000 naira and you have over 100 messages and 50% turns up to buy. Do you know how much is that? You are just a hidden millionaire if you don't know. So that's another great way of making money online on Facebook, by utilizing Facebook advert for your business. The last one, which is leveraging on Facebook groups. Okay, you just need to create a Facebook group where your audience can be, where you can be interacting with your audience, where your audience can get to be asking questions and you get to answer them. Like, if you have not taken all of this stuff I've said, if there's anything I want you to like get into your mind, is knowing who your audience is. That's the only thing that's the only thing I want to keep on ringing in your head. Okay, know who your target audience is. Even if you have not taken every other thing I've said in this video personal, or even if you have not considered them important, but you see this particular one, take it very, very important. Okay, know who your target audience is. Okay guys, here come the end of this tutorial. I'm glad you love it. Okay, so let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and also let me know if you have tried all these methods I've mentioned and how far you've gone. Don't forget to like, love, share, comment, and also subscribe. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.